the neuron. See, here we have one question. Explain the structure of neuron with the help of a diagram. So here first we will talk about the definitions of the neuron, and we will talk about the structure of neuron, and we will talk about its main part. So here coming to the definitions of this neuron, see here you can see they are the specialized cells which are combined to form nerve. They are combined to form nerve of the nervous system. See, they is to combine to form the nerve in the nervous system. Neuron, it is also the unit of a nervous system. It is also the unit. See, this neuron, it is to create and carry the message, which is called the neuron. See, this neuron, as we have the cells in blood, cells in the bones, in our body we have in different parts we have cells. So this neuron, it is the cells of a brain. It is the cell of brain which is in the nervous system. It is a specialized cell of a nervous system. So this neuron is formed in the brain. That is, it is the cell of a brain, you can say. And next we will see the structure here. See the structure which you can see. See the thread-like structure which you can see the thread-like structure here. Small thread-like structure. It is called the dendrites. And you can see this part. This part it is called the cell body. It is also called cytosol. See, in this cell body, mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus. See, here you can see the nucleus also. Ribosome, nucleus, mitochondria, these are present. And which you can see here the dot structure. It is the nasal granules, which you can see. And this part which you can see the long structure which has in a long structure, it is called the axon. It is called axon. And gap which you can see in between, the gap here in between, it is called the nodes of Ranvier. And here which you can see the covering part, the things which has covered this axon, the name of this is Swan Cell. It is the Swan Cell. See, this Swan Cell is outside the brain, and this Swan Cell, what it make? It make the myelin sheath. It makes what? Myelin sheath. And here you can see the end of this neuron. It is called the nerve ending. Now, if we talk about where does this nerve impulse flow, means where the message flow, what is the direction of the nerve impulse? What is nerve impulse? Nerve impulse is the message. So what is the direction of this nerve impulse? See, the nerve impulse, the message, first it comes to the dendrite, and from the dendrite it goes to cell body, and from cell body it goes away from the axon, this part. It goes away to the axon and the nerve ending. So this is the structure of neuron which you can see. And now we will talk about the main parts of this neuron. See here the main parts of neuron. First we have is the cell body. See this cell body, as I have told you, the main part has all the necessary components of the cell, such as I have told you, nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, etc. See, in this cell body, you will get to see the nucleus, it is present, the nasal granules and the ribosomes, mitochondria are present inside. In the where it is present? In the cell body. And number B, we have the main part of neuron, that is axon. So this axon, it is the long projections of the cell. See, as I have told you, it is the long projection of the cell through which the information is transmitted. See here, information is transmitted in the form of what? In the form of electric impulse. In the form of electric impulse, this information is transmitted. So this axon, the axon has many hair-like structure at the end called nerve ending. See this axon, it has also structure like a hair-like. So it is called the nerve ending. As you can see here, the hair-like structure which is called the nerve ending. And this relay nerve impulse means it takes away the nerve impulse. That means it takes away the message from the neuron. Now number C we have, that is dendrite. See, this dendrite are small branch-like projection. See this, as I have told you, it is the small branch-like projection of the cell body. It is the small-like projection of the cell body which you can see here. Small-like projection, it is called dendrite. They receive nerve impulse. See, first the direction of a nerve impulse, the message, what I have told you, dendrite. So, they receive nerve impulse. First they receive the nerve impulse, and this axon, what does it do? It relay the nerve impulse. The dendrite, it receive, and this axon, it relay the nerve impulse. So children, I hope you all understood clearly about this neuron which we have talked and discussed, as you can see the diagram, and I hope you all understood clearly. Thank you.